Hey guys, welcome to EriClean. I'm Eric and I'm ready to clean. If you're like me and your home tends to get messy, you got dogs and other responsibilities, it can get a little crazy sometimes. So I hope this video gives you the motivation to clean with me. First off, I'm going to open up the blinds, let in more light, make it more lively in here, and to help myself feel more awake. I'm going to start off by picking up all the trash and water bottles, so we're going to grab a trash bag and get down to business. Now I'm going to pick up the dog toys.
Yeah, it's a good boy. What to catch?
She usually catches those, but I think she's like camera shy or something, so just give her some grace. These are our dogs, Mocha and Miles. Mocha is our 4-year-old Jack Russell mix, and Miles is our 1-year-old Golden Retriever. Alright, now I'm gonna grab some cleaning wipes and wipe any dirt or crumbs off the table, especially since I know these turds would try to lick anything off the table that they see.
Who do they think they are? I've given the best years of my life to this place and they think they can just fire me like that? Like trash? I don't think so.
It's a big mess. Oh no. That was not good. Okay, let's try again. Go. And this one definitely needs to be cleaned a little tad bit.
We're gonna start off by removing the canvas, any photos, and the record player. And of course, the cord gets stuck. Let's wipe the glass drawer.
Yep, looking good. Yeah.
Let's clean the record player. As you can see, it's pretty dusty, but what you don't see is all of the dog hair lying around. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe the outside first and then tackle cleaning the inside as well.
Harry Styles. Whew, that was a lot of hair.
Again, super dusty, but I'm glad that my mom gave me the idea to start creating cleaning videos. It's eye-opening seeing all the things that can get neglected or forgotten about. I've been blessed enough to have the things that I own, and this helped me realize that I need to start taking care of everything a little more. That goes out to anyone that's watching who may be creating the same habits as me. You're not alone, and I'm here to help motivate us. Look at these satisfying wipes. Who did this? Now, I'm no expert at cleaning record players, but I know to be gentle and cautious. I've seen a video where someone was just barely messing with theirs and it broke, so I don't want to do that. I'm just going over it again real quick to make sure I got all the dust and dirt.
That's good.
I'm gonna go ahead and place everything where it's supposed to go just so that we stay clean and organized. Let me know if you guys want a video of me deep cleaning, getting all parts throughout the house spick and span.
Toss all this stuff in the bag. Pretty dirty.
Here I'm going to start cleaning off the entertainment center, focusing on dusting and decluttering, placing all of my extra gaming consoles and controllers away. Now if you're a gamer like me or you live with a gamer, then this is a spot you'll want to check out. I personally have never cleaned my PlayStation, as you can see. Hey, I know that this is my cleaning video, but if anyone knows how to properly clean a PS5, please let me know your tips and tricks. This is the before and after. Clearly I did not get all the dust, so that will be my next goal. I'll have to get an air spray can and finish the rest another time. Alright, time to clear off the couch, removing all of the blankets and pillows. Let's make this living room actually look like a living room and not a bedroom. I'm also organizing the back table, putting away chargers, laptops, and bags. Sadly, the video cut out during this part, so here's a cute video of a cat. Now that everything is picked up, cleaned, and organized, we're going to do one of my favorite parts of cleaning, which is sprinkling carpet freshener all over the room. We have two crazy dogs, which means we usually get that dog smell and their hair all over the place. So it's time to vacuum. I'm going around and putting the table back, placing the items where they belong, and doing some final touches. I swear the coasters are dirtier than it looks. Looking at the video now, it definitely doesn't look dirty at all, but I promise you in person, it definitely is dirty.
I'm the one that set you free.
And finally, here is the before and after. Let's go! I am so happy and so thankful. This was amazing. I'm so happy for propping my stuff up, getting the camera ready, and recording this process more importantly. I hope everybody enjoys. Like and subscribe. EriClean. Let's keep it going, EriClean! Woo!